Hey YouTube. So this is gonna be a quick video. I don't plan to be here long, but I just wanted to say something really quick to you guys. I just started on YouTube. I just started making YouTube videos in like August. That was about August when I started to make my YouTube videos. And now it's the beginning of October. It is October the 9th, I want to say. I believe it's the 9th. I think it's the 9th, yeah. And I have 20 subscribers. And I know it sounds petty because some people are on here making videos about 100,000 subscribers and stuff like that. But honestly, 20 subscribers means a lot to me. I just started out, so you know, it's like, oh, somebody's watching my videos. It makes me feel good. Like, I don't know, I feel really good about it. So I just want to say a big thanks to the people who view my videos and a big thanks to my subscribers so far. I really do want to get into the YouTube game. Make videos. I want to inspire somebody out there. You know, I'm trying to represent for the thicker ladies, of course. And you know, I just want to inspire or motivate somebody out there and give somebody a sense of self-esteem and things like that. So I'm really going to try my best to do that for you guys. Show you guys the videos that you want to see. I want to be very interactive with my subscribers and all that stuff. But I am still pretty much a rookie, so I'm still getting to learn things and stuff like that. So yes, but I definitely wanted to say a big thank you to my subscribers so far. The last time I checked, I had 21, I believe. So I really feel good about that. I'm gassed about that. Like, seriously, I feel so good. So thank you guys so much for supporting me thus far, even though I am a newbie to the whole YouTube video thing. I don't know what you call them, gurus or YouTube vloggers or whatever they call, whatever it's called. But I'm new to the game and I really want to get into it, so I'm very great thankful for my subscribers so far. You guys are motivating me. I'm really gonna try to make more videos. Like, I'm gonna try to make videos on the regular. I'm gonna set up the lighting in my room because it actually sucks. Like right now, you don't know the stuff I gotta do to put some light in my face. Oh my god, I have a flashlight on top of my tablet. My lamp is up there, like I'm trying to get some light. I'm gonna really try to get a nice background for you guys so it doesn't look all crazy, because like my room looks mad. Like, things sticking on my drawer. I'm sorry, but I really did want to come and do this video. So yes, thank you guys so much. Like, seriously, thank you guys so much for showing love to me. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. But yes, I do have a haul coming up. I did buy some items from shopmissa.com, and that is an online accessory shop. Everything is $1. So I am gonna do a haul about that. And I do want to do a video on my shoe collection for fall/winter. I do want to get into that. I'm just pretty busy with school and placement and stuff like that. So I'm supposed to get my reading week really soon, so hopefully I can make some videos for you guys at that time. So yes, please stay tuned to what I have in store for you guys. And like I said 1,000 times, thank you guys again for the support. Please continue to like and subscribe my videos. Leave your comments and everything below. Don't be afraid. I want to be very interactive with you guys. Trust me, I really do. So yes, thank you guys so much. Like I said, thank you guys for watching, and continue to show me the love, because I'm going to show the love back to y'all. I promise. Bye.